All right, this is gonna be a quick video over these two enclitic particles. You probably already have a quick idea and understanding of what these particles are and what they express. So this video in this intermediate series is just gonna go by through quickly with them because, again, they're just gonna reinforce what we probably never covered or didn't cover. Um, what what else can I say about these? Oh well, let's just begin. So kaha, right? Kaha expresses curiosity. It expresses curiosity or wonder or maybe perhaps, right? And that's just the way the kaha is expressed itself, and it's just the way it's used, all right? The example sentences will probably give you a better idea, okay? Unsaon kaha musaka ang tubig kung way ulan? Right? So how how perhaps, or how could it be? How perhaps will the water rise if there is no rain? Right? I wonder how is the water gonna rise if there's no rain? And it expresses it in that kind of voice, like like the oh I wonder, that kind of tone, okay. Unsaon kaha musaka ang tubig kung way ulan? The next one is ambot lang kaha, like I don't know, but this kaha is like I wonder. I don't know, but I wonder, right? I don't know, but I guess I wonder. I don't know. It has that tone, that feeling to it, okay, with that voice, and it's like I don't know, maybe, I wonder, because you're also, you don't know, but you're curious in a way. See, and then the last one here, the last example is patanaw wa usa tingali kaha nga sayop bitaw ang imong tubag. So the first sentence is, oh, okay, let's take a look. Let's take a quick look. Maybe perhaps maybe perhaps the answer you have is wrong. Tingali kaha nga sayop bitaw ang imong tubag. Maybe your answer that you have is wrong, or maybe the answer you put is wrong. Maybe perhaps it's wrong. I don't know. Let's take a quick look, okay? Let's take a quick look. Patanawa usa tingali kaha nga sayop bitaw ang imong tubag. Basi, right? Maybe, I don't know. Basi ba? So it has that it expresses that whole curiosity, that curiosity deal, or that wonder, like I wonder, okay. And that's when you're gonna use kaha, right? And kaha can be expressed in that manner, right? Now, for kuno is a little different than kaha. Actually, it's way different than kaha. Okay, so kaha and kuno, just even though they start with a ka, they are very different in their function. Okay, don't get it confused, because this one I thought was confusing for people since they both start with ka. But kunos expresses rumors, hearsay, gossip, old tales, or folklore. Okay, and it can express that kind of stuff that's it's not it can express things that are not necessarily true or have no evidence of it being real, okay. So the second expression is that it is expressed in the third person singular or plural. All right, but it's expressed anonymously or unknown, so like we don't know who the person is. It's just expressed in that third person singular or plural. And the example sentences can help you clarify those understandings, right? The first one is siya kuno ang kinadatoan nga arkitekta sa tibuok nga dakbayan. So siya kuno means like it is said that he is the most richest architect in the whole city, right? People say he's the richest. It's said, or he is said to be the most richest architect in the entire city, right? We don't know. We don't know if that's true or not. We don't know if that's a fact. We're just, it's just rumors that we're hearing. It's just hearsay, right? It's just gossip from somebody. I don't know. That's why it's expressed in the third person, right? Somebody said it. I don't know. It's just there, right? And people are well known of that. Like they just know that, oh, he's probably the richest person, but we don't know who exactly said it. So it remains unknown and anonymous. It's just hearsay. And you can also be expressed in the plural. It doesn't need to be it is said, or you can say they say that he is the most richest architect, right? What else? Okay, so second sentence is basta adtuon sa lanaw kay muwala ang mga sakit nimo kuno. Okay, so the first clause reads, just just as long as you go to the lake, just go to the lake, right? It doesn't matter, just go to the lake because your sickness. They say that your sick, all your sicknesses will be gone, right? Kuno. Kay muwala ang mga sakit nimo kuno. They say, right? They say, or it's said to be when you go to that lake, right? It's said to be that all of your sicknesses will be gone. Kono, right? Kono. As long as you have kono there, it changes the tone of, or the meaning of the sentence to be the third person plural or singular, right? And finally, because Filipinos love folklore, folk tales, and all that stuff, and they love their own local stories, I decided to do this one with dwarves. Adunay mga daotan nga duwende kuno sa may bukid banda. So the first part says there exists, right? There exists mean or evil dwarves. They say, right? Kuno sa may bukid banda, at the mountainside. Sa may bukid banda is at the mountainside, right? So there are evil, mischievous dwarves at the mountainside. It is said to be, okay? So the sentence can go along the lines of, it is said to be that there are evil dwarves along in the mountainside. Or people say that there are evil dwarves in the mountainside. Or you can say that it's said to be, or people say, or it is said, or he say, or she say that there are. So that kuno here expresses that third person singular anonymously, okay? And I hope that kind of fixes up this kaha and kuno.